and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making chia overnight oats. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I've made a couple different versions of overnight oats before, but this one's different. This one's going to be kind of like a chia pudding overnight oats. Not like a chia pudding, but it definitely is going to have a consistency like that, and we're going to be using chia seeds. So all you're going to need for this recipe is your chia seeds, some milk, whatever milk of your choice, some yogurt. I used vanilla Greek yogurt instead of using a normal yogurt and adding in, vanilla extract or whatever. You can use whatever you want. Some oats, some pure maple syrup, and fruit of your choice. So I have some berries and a banana. So if you don't know what chia seeds are, they're really good for you. These are organic chia seeds. It says they're a good source of calcium, omega-3s, high in dietary fiber, iron, and they're gluten-free. So what's cool about chia seeds, I've added them to plenty of different things, but I've added them to some of the breakfast recipes that you've seen in my channel, or even my strawberry banana smoothie. I can link those up here if you guys want to see them. But what's cool about them is right now they're just like normal seeds, right? But when you add them to other things or like to a liquid or whatever, they kind of plump up and they almost, not like gelatin, but they definitely get thicker and they absorb whatever it is that you're mixing them with. So you're going to have that and you're going to have your oats. Everything's going to absorb nicely and create like a really nice texture for you. But this recipe is super, super simple. I'm going to make this tonight. It's 11:37. I'm going to be making this tonight, and then I'm going to check in with you guys tomorrow once this is all set and nice and plump, and I'm going to have breakfast with you guys. So without further ado, let's mix this stuff up on together. Okay, so hopefully this little dish bowl, whatever, is big enough. I wasn't really thinking about that, but we have our yogurt in here. Now we're going to add literally all of our other ingredients. So I'm going to add the chia seeds first, just to get these nice and well incorporated, and we can get nice and plump. You guys see that? We just have our yogurt and our chia. Just mix this on up. You can do this in another bowl if you want and transfer it. I just like to dirty as amount of dishes as possible so I don't have to clean everything. But we'll see if I picked a dish that's, I don't think I picked one that's big enough. Alright, so let's do our maple syrup. Now these you don't have to leave overnight, that's just what I'm doing. These only take probably like 30 minutes to fully set. So of course the longer you leave them, the more plump everything is going to get. So that's totally up to you guys. Sneak peek. So just by adding the chia already it's kind of more pudding-like. So let's see if we can add in our milk here without completely overflowing. Oh no. I guess I'm going to have to move this into another bowl because we still have our oats. Alright. So we're in another bowl. Gonna mix everything together. Now I know this might look like, oh no, I added too much milk. Uh-oh, like this. But we still have our oats. That's gonna be the last thing that you guys are gonna want to add. Believe me, the oats are gonna need that milk. So good. So you guys should have everything mixed together now. See that? So now we're just going to cover this up. Now you can use a lid. If your container comes with a lid, you can use saran. You just want to make sure it's airtight. And then you're going to want to leave that in the fridge for about 30 minutes or overnight. And then you can get ready to try some. So I'm going to leave it in overnight. And then I'm going to see you guys tomorrow once this gets all nice and plumped up. And we're going to top with our fruit and then maybe another little drizzle of maple syrup. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, we're back. Good morning. I mean, it's not really early morning. It's 10:56, but I can't eat right when I get up in the morning. So let's check up on our overnight oats. Look at that. See how much more solid that is now? We're not all watery. So now all that's left to do is, this is where it's up to you guys. You can mix everything all up together. You can leave it how it is. You can put the fruit inside and mix it. I like it just on top. So I'm just going to give this a quick little mix. Should have something that looks like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping my fruit. Now I like it to just sit on top, kind of like my Playa Bowl recipes that I can link right up there. That's just what I like. I don't want everything all mixed in. I'm gonna cut a little banana. Alright, so we have our little banana. Now we're going to add in some more of our fruit. How good does this look, you guys? I'm so excited to try this. Okay guys, so I have my little setup here for our thumbnail, but now it's time to try some. Oh, so good, you guys. I'm so glad that I already have breakfast made for me right this morning. I don't have to do anything. It's so good. I definitely liked using the vanilla yogurt here. I feel like it's just easier, and you don't have to worry about using a whole other ingredient. Like, it's already mixed in. So good. I love all the fruit mixed in. Like I said, you can use whatever kind of yogurt that you want, but I really like vanilla, and I like vanilla mixed in with all of our different fruit here. Now, as always, use whatever fruit that you guys want. Omit it. Use more. Use different types. Mix it in. Totally up to you guys. But this is so good. It kind of reminds me of, like I said, the Playa Bowls that I make, but just like an overnight oats version. So excited for you guys to try this one at home, but that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!